Hi guys, it's Sam from Creatively Sam's. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you stopped by. Today's video is March menu and shopping list. Since this is the beginning of the month, I've got to get a new menu going and definitely a new shopping list. So I thought I'd take you along with me. I've already printed these out like I do all the time, and I've already dated them. There's St. Patty's Day. I already know I'm going to have corned beef and cabbage on that day. And this is Palm Sunday. But other than that, I'm just going to work on getting that the menu done and start working on a shopping list as soon as I'm done with that. Okay, I think I've got it done. I did fix the one thing I messed up last month. This is Lent, so Friday has got fish. So all last month I just kept exchanging the two and it was driving me nuts. So I got this one right this time. And my son's band practice night was changed back to Wednesdays again. So we're going to have pizza on Wednesdays except for on St. Patty's Day. So anyway, Sundays I'm going to stick with the spaghetti and meatballs because the grandbaby absolutely loves it. He's actually asking for it now on Sundays. And he likes the naked spaghetti with no sauce and just a couple of meatballs cut up. And my husband and son love spaghetti, so that's what we're going to be having every Sunday. Might sound a little boring, but the baby just has a good time. And I always make enough leftovers so that there's leftovers for lunches. Mondays I'm going to stick with chicken. I've got regular chicken, like chicken breast, that kind of thing. Fried chicken. This is going to be a that's chicken breast. Not real sure what kind of chicken I'm going to do here. This is a roasted chicken, and I'll be cooking that in a pressure cooker. And with it I'm going to have things like mashed potatoes or home fries. Home fries, my husband's favorite. But mashed potatoes with gravy, my son just loves that. And buttered noodles, you can't go wrong with that in this house anyway. Tuesdays I'm going to be having odd things like hot dogs. I am not supposed to have hot dogs anymore. I retain entirely too much weight, too much water weight. But the guys really like having hot dogs on occasion. So instead of me eating the hot dogs, I'll just have a salad. Scrambled eggs. There's hot dogs again. Pork chops. I love pork chops. It depends on who has them on sale this month, but I will be getting that for one meal anyway. Let's see, the corned beef is going to be corned beef and cabbage, potatoes and carrots, and I'm going to be cooking that all in one pot. And then I'm going to be making bacon cheeseburgers on Thursdays. I can eat plain hamburgers, no buns, no goodies on it. I gotta watch the bacon, and I don't really care for the cheese. So I'm gonna be having this bacon cheeseburgers for the guys, and I'll be having the naked hamburgers. I told you on Fridays I'm gonna be having fish. This is salmon patties. My son absolutely loves them. I can take them or leave them, but he loves them. Macaroni and cheese, yeah, my guys really like that. This is going to be shrimp with California mix and buttered noodles. That's one of my husband's favorites. And grilled cheese and tomato soup. My husband's not a big fan of tomato soup, but he does like the grilled cheese. And Saturdays, I'm going to be having leftovers. I always end up throwing stuff away at the end of the week because I've got so many leftovers. So I'm going to try having just leftovers on Saturday. So that's my menu for March. The shopping list, it's actually not too much. Remember, this is for a whole month, but I have to get a couple packages of the chicken breasts and one whole chicken, and I want to get a small corned beef brisket, bacon, pork chops, hot dogs. I think I'm going to need them. I'm not sure. I've got to double check. But you can't go wrong with too many hot dogs in the refrigerator anyway. And 2 packages of frozen shrimp. And green beans. I love green beans. Whether they're frozen or they're canned, I really love green beans. And I always have that with when I make naked hamburgers. And I love them with scrambled eggs. The macaroni and cheese. We get the 5-pack of Great Value brand. My husband likes that the best. He likes it better than Kraft macaroni and cheese, and that is something that he grew up with. But he really likes the macaroni and cheese from Walmart. I'm running low on Splenda, and of course I always have to get cat food. And I need milk for the baby and eggs because I practically live on eggs. Butter, cheese, that's American cheese. I think I have plenty of mozzarella. I'll double check because I kind of overdid it last time I went shopping, but definitely need the American cheese. I need the sugar-free pudding that I put in my husband's lunch, and the sugar-free Jell-O, which I snack on late at night. And I need 1 package of pizza dough. And that's the Great Value pizza dough roll. And I actually like this better than Pillsbury. Need a loaf of bread, hot dog buns, hamburger buns, my husband's Cheez-It snack crackers, baby food. Like I told you last month, I always get the Gerber macaroni and cheese for the baby. I like it better because it has it doesn't have the preservatives in it, and it doesn't have very much sodium, and he loves the taste. He eats that for lunch, and it's one of his favorites. As far as produce goes, I'm pretty set with most of my produce. I need a salad mix and the potatoes just for things like the home fries and mashed potatoes. I do have about 5 pounds, so 1 10-pound bag will be fine. Carrots, I always get those for the baby, and I need them for my corned beef and cabbage, and of course I need the cabbage. Paper products, I am fine. I honestly don't need anything except, I should get tissues, because it's always good to have extra tissues around, but I've got plenty from last month. The cleaning, the only thing that I need as far as actual cleaning stuff is the Scrubbing Bubbles gel for the toilet. I really like the way it helps to keep any rings and stuff out of that toilet. I mean, it really works well, and the baby gets a kick out of seeing the flower in the back of the toilet. I need rubber gloves. The last 2 times I've been at the Dollar Tree, all they've had are really big ones. Excuse me. And it's hard to, I mean, I've got very tiny hands. So I think I'm going to get the ones at the Walmart, because like I said, I can only find larger ones at the Dollar Tree. I need a new tripod. Mine keeps, the one leg keeps popping out. So, just to get rid of the frustration, I'm going to get a new tripod. And I want another package of white battery operated candles, if they have them. Back in the craft section, I only need a large styrofoam cone and a pot that will fit the cone. I think I might have some from the Dollar Tree, but depends on how big a cone I get. And wooden hearts, because I am just about out of the 1 inch. But other than that, that's all I need. So I'll be going shopping here pretty soon, and I'll be sharing the the haul. But yeah, I did pretty good this time. So if you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell so you're notified whenever I put up a new video. And happy creating, everyone.